Here we will make slime. This is glue in one bowl, you can see. Now we will mix it with other ingredients. See, it is cream. We will mix it. Start. Here we have mixed glue and cream. We will mix it properly. Now we'll keep it. Now we will mix water and activator. On कर दिया. Now we will mix water and activator. First we will mix water. An activator. On. See, we have mixed it very nicely. Stir it very nicely so that it dissolves in water and it make a perfect solution. Now we will take our glue and cream. Now we will mix it. See, just a little drop. 2 or 3 drops only. If you will mix it very much, then it's difficult to make a slime. Now we are stirring it. See, please like our video and please share it. Thank you.